Welcome to the Raspberry Pi setup tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your Raspberry Pi. Let's get started. Firstly, let's proceed with the installation of the Raspberry Pi OS. The first step is to download and install the Raspberry Pi Imager tool, which will help us write the Raspberry Pi OS onto an SD card. Open your web browser and go to the official Raspberry Pi website. On the website, navigate to the Raspberry Pi Imager section. Click on the Download button. The Imager tool is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Raspberry Pi Imager. Writing Raspberry Pi OS onto a micro SD card. Here's how you can do it. Insert the SD card you plan to use into your computer's SD card slot or use an SD card reader. Launch the Raspberry Pi Imager tool that you just installed. In the Imager, you will see a list of available operating systems. Find and select Raspberry Pi OS. Next, click on the Choose SD card button and select the SD card you inserted earlier. Click on the Advanced options, which allow you to configure items such as set hostname, enable SSH, password or key authentication, configure Wi-Fi, set local settings, etc., before you even write the image to your SD card. Click on the Write button to start writing the Raspberry Pi OS onto the SD card. The Raspberry Pi Imager will now download the necessary files and write them to the SD card. This may take a few minutes to complete. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and written the Raspberry Pi OS onto your SD card. We are going to use a Raspberry Pi 4B for this project. For the ease of connections, we have put the Raspberry Pi in an Argon 1v2 case. You can watch our previous video where we have done unboxing and setup of this case. Configure the Raspberry Pi. Remove SD card from your computer and insert it into the Raspberry Pi. Connect the necessary peripherals to the Raspberry Pi, such as a keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Power on the Raspberry Pi by connecting it to a power source, such as a USB cable or power adapter. Once the Raspberry Pi boots up, you will see the Raspberry Pi OS desktop. Congratulations! Your Raspberry Pi is now set up and ready to be used. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on Raspberry Pi and other exciting tech content. Thank you, and happy tinkering with your Raspberry Pi.